Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In previous video we have learned about the triangles and we have learned about the median of the triangle. In today's video we will learn the altitudes of the triangle. So for what is the meaning of the altitude here? So the altitude means the height of the triangle. We have to measure the height of the triangle. So here I am drawing the triangle. Suppose that this is the triangle. I have drawn this is the triangle and we have to name this triangle. So this vertex is A, then B and then C. So altitude always drawn from the vertex and it falls on the opposite side perpendicularly. So this is the vertex A and we have to measure the height of this triangle. So this is the vertex A and I have drawn the perpendicular line from the vertex fall on the opposite side perpendicularly. So this line represents the height of the triangle. If I name it as a D, so AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude of the triangle. Now the question is, how many altitude the triangle have? So in a triangle, there are three altitudes. From all the vertex, we can measure the height of the triangle. So suppose that from the V vertex I have taken. So I use the different color here. From V vertex, this is the and this fall perpendicular to the AC. So this is also a altitude. Similarly, from C vertex, this is the line which falls perpendicular to the AB. So altitude always drawn from the vertex to the opposite side of that vertex and this line is falls perpendicular to that side. So here I name it as a E and this is as a F. So BE is also a altitude, it is also a altitude and similarly CF is also a altitude. So here is the acute angle triangle. This is the acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So this is the acute angle triangle. So what is the altitude in acute angle triangle? So as it drawn earlier, the same here also. So this is the altitude. This is the altitude of acute angle triangle. Now, here I am putting the question. So think about it. Okay. So now here is the question. Can you think of a triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides? That means we have to think that triangle in which the altitude becomes the side of the triangle. So here I am drawing that triangle. Okay, so that triangle is right angle triangle. So if I draw this right angle triangle, okay, now this is the right angle triangle. Now in this, these two sides are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so I name it A, B, and this is C side. So what is the altitude here? So see, the A is the vertex and the line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side perpendicularly. So this line is the line withdrawn from the vertex and it falls perpendicular to the BC. Okay, so AB is the altitude of the triangle. So here AB is the altitude. Similarly, what is the other side? So in the, if we draw the altitude from the vertex C, it falls on the AB, this AB side. So this is the line which falls perpendicular to the AB from the vertex C. So BC, this one, BC is also a altitude. So BC is also a altitude. BC is also altitude. So the in which triangle? The right angle triangle. The answer is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, two altitudes of the triangle are the two sides of it. Okay, so altitude becomes the side, and this is possible for the right angle triangle. But it only two sides. Why? Because if we draw a altitude from the vertex B, then see from the vertex B it fall on AC. Okay, so this is the altitude from the vertex B. So it does not become a side. It is simple altitude as we have studied earlier. So AB and BC are the altitude, and it also becomes the side. This is also altitude, but it does not become a side. Okay, so here is another question. Will an altitude lie in the interior of a triangle? So the altitude can be lie in the interior of the triangle, as well as it can also be lie outside the triangle. Now which triangle it is? So the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So here I am drawing the obtuse angle triangle. This is the line, and put that this is the line. So this is the obtuse angle triangle. What is the obtuse angle triangle? If any one angle in a triangle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180, then that is the obtuse angle triangle. So this is the obtuse angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle. Why? Because if one angle is greater than 90 degree. Now what is the altitude from A? From B we draw, it become inside the triangle. If we from the C we can draw, it also inside the triangle. But from the A we cannot draw a perpendicular line. So from A we have to draw this line. From A this should be perpendicular, but it is outside the triangle. So to touch it we have to extend the BC line. So we have to extend the BC line. So here I am extending the BC line. So here this I name it. Okay, so I name it as a D. So here AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude which lie outside the triangle. Okay, so I hope you will understood that this is the altitude which lie outside the triangle. So it is possible for obtuse angle triangles, and for any other triangle the altitude always lie inside the triangle. So here I am ending our video. Thank you.